Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you all our grocery menu for the next 2, maybe 3 weeks. A lot of the items I already have in my pantry. So for our plan for 2021, I want to eat a lot healthier and cook healthier meals for my family. So I will be fixing more low carb, keto style meals. So this grocery haul will definitely reflect that. So we spent about 132. It would have been more if I didn't already have the items like the meats and stuff, but we have a deep freezer and we still have meat and stuff in there. So I didn't really have to go all out buying meats. So let me show you the haul now. So I like to make a menu plan, and then I go off of that based off of what I already have. So the first thing I got is pepperonis for a recipe. All of the recipes, I pinned them to my Pinterest board for the month of January, and I will also link that in my description box just in case you guys need some meal ideas. I also got a big thing of heavy whipping cream. We needed more Q-tips. I checked the kids' Q-tip stuff upstairs, and y'all know my kids do not like telling me when they run out of stuff. So we needed more. I get this for the boys, the dry scalp. It's kind of like Head and Shoulders, just the Walmart version, and it does the exact same thing as Head and Shoulders. My boys suffer from dry scalp, and this works amazing. My husband got himself a can of sliced peaches. He loved this stuff, but he will be going on low carb keto with me. So today is his last day of eating that. And I noticed they have the keto trail mix. I didn't even know they had this in Walmart, but when I saw it, I'm like, oh snap, let me try it out. So this is what I got to snack on. A bag of avocados. They're really small. I like to get them bigger, but this is what they had available. I love avocados. Some shrimp for a keto wonton soup. I can't wait for that. A pack of ground pork for a recipe. I got 2 things of beef broth, and one of them is a beef bone broth. I needed some more basil. A pack of pork sausage, so I got that. And then I got 2 packs of kielbasa, which is my favorite sausage. I was supposed to get andouille sausage, but they were sold out. So I got this one instead. But this is actually my favorite, so I don't mind. And I'm planning on baking this in the oven with some vegetables for lunch. I also got a big bag of green beans, some broccoli florets, and then I got some more the frozen kind for a recipe that I asked for. I've never had this before, so I'm going to try it out. It's called the Pasta Zero. So it has 20 calories, 5 grams of carbs. I've never had this before, but this is for like, I think I'm going to be making like a chicken Alfredo with these noodles. I got to look at my menu, you guys. But according to the reviews, it says you need to soak this because it's kind of fishy. So I don't know. I've never had this before. I don't mind trying something new. I got these paninos. We loved snacking on these, especially my husband, and it's good for him to take to work with him. So it comes with pepperoni, prosciutto, and hard salami. I got some pepper jack cheese, some cut up ham, and this is for like the egg cups that I'm going to make for breakfast. So what you do is you put ham and cheese and eggs, and it's just a great to-go breakfast meal. I need some bell peppers. I also needed the red bell pepper. Oh, I did get andouille sausage. I don't know what I'm talking about, y'all. So this must be for something else. So I did get some smoked andouille sausage, but this one is this chicken one. A big bag of mozzarella cheese. Some squash. This is for also that will go in the oven with the sausage, and some cauliflower rice. Now, my kids do not like cauliflower. Well, Destiny does not like cauliflower rice, but the boys don't mind, and neither does my husband. I also got the Gatorade Zero. I prefer the Powerade Zero, but for some reason, like, I don't know, it doesn't make me feel good when I drink that one. So I'm going to try this one, so like that I could keep my electrolytes up. And my husband loves soda, so this is his way of winning himself off, is by getting the Coke Zero. So today my plan is to meal prep some of the meals, not all of them, but like at least the lunch items and the breakfast items, so like that we don't have to worry about that. And I will be doing that today. So comment down below. Let me know if that's something that you would like to see. And I will definitely film that for you guys. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And keep a lookout for my next videos, guys.